So children, today we are going to do exercise 8.6. Write whether the following group of decimal numbers are like decimals or unlike decimals. Now let's see what are like decimals first. Now you can see I've written green marker. Those are all like decimals. Now what are like decimals? So you just see the decimal part of the numbers. Here in decimal part, there are how many place decimal? 2.6. There are two place decimal. Here also 0.95, 0.26, 0.86. That means all are having two places decimal. So they are called like decimals. So similarly here in number 4, we have 0.145, three place decimal, 0.004, 0.928, 0.802. So all the decimal numbers are having three places decimal. So they are called like decimals. Similarly, number 5, 6, and 8. Now, what are unlike decimals? Now, let's see this question number 2, the decimal part. Here we have 0.92, here 0.891. That means here two place decimal, here three place decimal. Again, here we have 0.764, three places decimal, and here 0.8, one place. So all are having different decimal places, so they are called unlike decimals. Similarly, in question number 3, 0.13, 0.12, and zero point 0.3. So here two place, here two place decimal, and here one place. So they are unlike decimals. Similarly, question number 7, 9, and 10 are unlike decimals. So what did we come to know? That decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals, and decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. So children, now we shall go to exercise 8.7. Question number 1. Compare the decimal numbers given and put appropriate symbols. The appropriate symbols here, greater or smaller. So these two symbols we got to put here. Now, how to compare two decimal numbers? Here we have 2.7 and 2.3. Now first we look at the whole number part. The whole number part here is 2, and here also the whole number part is 2. That means the whole number parts are equal. We go to the decimal part now. Here is 0.7, 0.3. So 0.7 is greater than 0.3. So therefore 2.7 will be greater than 2.3. Number B, 5.89, 7.92. Here the whole number part here is 5, and the whole number part here is 7. So the whole number parts are different, so therefore we don't have to see the decimal part now. So since 5 is less than 7, so 5.89 is less than 7.92. Number C, 13.47, and here 13.49. The whole number parts are same. So go to the decimal part. In the 10th place, here we have 4. Here also the 10th place is 4. So they're equal. Then in the 100th place, here is 7, and the 100th place here is 9. So 9. So if 7 is less than 9, so therefore 13.47 will be less than 13.49. Likewise, 8.35 is greater than 8.29, because in the decimal part 10th place is 3 and the 10th place here is 2. So 8.35 is greater than 8.29. Here in the whole number part we have 0, and the decimal point after decimal the 10th place is 0, and here the 10th place is 4. So 0 is less than 4, therefore 0.05 is less than 0.4. Even though here we have 100 place 5, here there is no 100 place still, since the 10th place is less here, so therefore 0.05 is less than 0.4. Now here we can see 14 is greater than 4, so 14.2 will be greater than 4.25. Here 0.41 and here 0.43, so this is less than 143. That is, whole number parts are same, so that 0.9 is greater than 0.5, so therefore 9.95 is greater than 9.59. Question number 2. Arrange the following in ascending order. So here the decimal numbers are given. Now in the first question, as we have compared the two decimal numbers, greater and smaller, so same criteria will be using here to write them in ascending order. So first of all, you see here, we have to see the whole number part. So the whole number part, this the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal numbers are having 0. So out of these 5, which is the smallest? So in the 10th place, we have 3 here. So 0.375 is smaller than 0.39, is smaller than 0.402, 0.42 is smaller than 0.85, is smaller than 1.04. Now while writing in ascending order, we must see the whole number part, and if the whole number parts are all same, then we have to go to the decimal part, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, each place we have to compare and then write them in ascending or descending order. So here 2.58 is less than 5.28, is less than 25.58, is less than 25.8, is less than 28.5, and is less than 28.85. Now question number 3, descending order, the same, only we have to write from greater to smaller. So to find the greatest decimal number here, out of all this is 8.4, then is greater than 6.91, is greater than 5.73, is greater than 3.81, is greater than 0.863, and this is greater than 0.5. Similarly, I have written here in descending order. So with this, we come to the end of today's class. So next time we'll be doing the next exercise, that is 8.8.